Good posture is not just about looking confident. It's about feeling your best and preventing aches and pains. Imagine starting your day with a routine that can help you sit and stand taller, feel more energized, and reduce your risk of injury. Intrigued? Let's dive into 10 morning exercises that can help you correct your posture fast. Number 1. Child's pose. Child's pose is a gentle stretch that lengthens the spine, glutes, and hamstrings. It releases tension in the lower back and neck, providing a calming start to your day. How to perform? 1. Starting position. Sit on your shins with knees together and big toes touching. 2. Fold forward. Lean forward at your hips, extending your hands out in front of you. 3. Relax. Sink your hips back towards your feet, resting your forehead on the floor or turning your head to one side. 4. Hold and breathe. Extend your arms or rest them alongside your body. Breathe deeply into your ribcage and waist, holding the pose for up to 5 minutes. Number 2. Forward fold. Forward fold stretches the spine, glutes, and hamstrings while also relieving tension in the hips and legs. It promotes flexibility and relaxation. How to perform? 1. Starting position. Stand with your feet together and hands on your hips. 2. Fold forward. Bend at the hips, letting your hands reach towards the floor. 3. Relax and stretch. Allow your spine to lengthen and your head to hang heavy. Hold for up to 1 minute. Number 3. Cat-cow. Cat-cow promotes spinal mobility and blood circulation while relieving tension in the torso, shoulders, and neck. How to perform? 1. Starting position. Come onto your hands and knees. 2. Inhale. Drop your belly towards the ground, lift your head, and arch your back. 3. Exhale. Round your spine towards the ceiling and tuck your chin to your chest. 4. Repeat. Continue this movement for at least 1 minute. Number 4. Standing cat-cow. This variation loosens tightness in the back, hips, and glutes while promoting flexibility and posture. How to perform? 1. Starting position. Stand with feet hip-width apart, slight bend in your knees. 2. Extend hands. Reach forward or place hands on your thighs. 3. Round and arch. Round your spine and then arch it, moving your chin towards your chest and then lifting it. 4. Hold and breathe. Hold each position for 5 breaths, continuing the movement for a few minutes. Number 5. Chest opener. Chest openers are great for counteracting the effects of sitting, opening the chest, and improving upper body flexibility. How to perform? 1. Starting position. Stand with feet hip-width apart. 2. Interlace fingers. Behind your back, press your palms together or hold a towel if needed. 3. Lift and stretch. Inhale as you lift your chest towards the ceiling, bringing your hands towards the floor. 4. Hold and release. Hold for 5 breaths, relax, and repeat 10 times. Number 6. High plank. High plank strengthens the shoulders, glutes, and hamstrings while enhancing core and back strength, crucial for good posture. How to perform? 1. Starting position. Come onto all fours and extend your legs, lifting your heels and hips. 2. Engage muscles. Straighten your back, engage your core, arms, and legs. 3. Hold. Maintain this position for up to 1 minute, focusing on keeping your chest open and shoulders back. Number 7. Side plank. Side plank strengthens the muscles in your sides and glutes, supporting your back and improving posture. How to perform. 1. Starting position. From a high plank, shift weight onto your right hand, stack your ankles, and lift your hips. 2. Extend arm. Place your left hand on your hip or extend it towards the ceiling. 3. Engage and align. Engage your core and glutes, aligning your body from head to heels. 4. Hold and repeat. Hold for up to 30 seconds, then repeat on the opposite side. Number 8. Downward facing dog. Downward facing dog stretches and strengthens the back, promoting overall flexibility and alignment. How to perform. 1. Starting position. Begin on your stomach, press into your hands, tuck your toes, and lift your hips. 2. Lift and lengthen. Lift your knees and hips, lengthening your spine and keeping your heels slightly lifted. 3. Hold and breathe. Maintain this position for up to 1 minute, pressing firmly into your hands. Number 9. Pigeon pose. Pigeon pose opens the hips, loosens the spine, and stretches the glutes and hamstrings, aiding in better posture. How to perform. 1. Starting position. On all fours, bring your right knee behind your right wrist, angling your right foot to the left. 2. Extend and lower. Slide your left leg back, straighten your knee, and lower your torso over your right thigh. 3. Hold and release. Hold for up to 1 minute, then repeat on the opposite side. Number 10. Glute bridge. Glute bridge strengthens the glutes and lower back, improving hip and pelvic alignment for better posture. How to perform. 1. Starting position. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet hip-width apart. 2. Lift hips. Exhale and lift your hips towards the sky, straightening your spine. 3. Hold and repeat. Hold for up to 1 minute, then lower and repeat. Starting your day with these exercises can make a significant difference in your posture and overall health. For more insights into the benefits of a healthy lifestyle, kindly join us on the Discovering Hub Sports. If you found this video enjoyable, feel free to share it with your social circle on Facebook, WhatsApp, and X as well.